ISO 20022 and SWIFT, how cross-border will transform. Every single day, trillions of dollars move across borders through SWIFT. But by 2025, the way those payments are processed will completely change. Why? Because ISO 20022 is rewriting the rules of international money movement. In this video, let's break down how SWIFT and cross-border payments are being transformed, and what it really means for the future of global finance. The backbone of cross-border money. SWIFT isn't a bank, it's the secure messaging network that links 11,500 plus institutions in over 200 countries. It moves about $150 trillion annually in cross-border payments. Until now, these messages were sent using the Mount Standard, developed in the 1970s. It was fast for its time, but limited. Problem: empty messages are unstructured, making compliance checks slower, and creating frictions like delays or false positives. Why ISO 20022 is different. ISO 20022 introduces structured, rich data. Names, addresses, purposes of payment, even invoice numbers, everything in a standardized XML format. This allows automation, faster fraud detection, and better compliance screening. Example: if a US importer pays a supplier in Singapore, the payment message will now clearly include the business purpose and reference details. Banks on both sides can process it instantly, reducing hold times and manual interventions. SWIFT calls this the move toward smarter payments. The timeline of transformation. SWIFT began ISO 20022 coexistence in March 2023. By November 2025, ISO 20022 becomes mandatory. Empty messages will be retired for cross-border payments and cash reporting. That means every transaction, whether between banks in Europe, Asia, Africa, or the Americas, will use this same richer format. According to SWIFT, by then over 80% of high-value cross-border transactions worldwide will flow through ISO 20022. The impact beyond 2025. More structured data means fewer errors and delays in cross-border transactions. Lower compliance costs for banks, estimated savings in billions globally. New business models. Fintechs and payment providers can offer smarter services using the detailed data embedded in ISO 20022. SWIFT is also connecting ISO 20022 with new tech like APIS and cloud solutions, preparing for instant cross-border payments in the future. So here's the bottom line: SWIFT isn't just upgrading its pipes. It's transforming cross-border payments into something faster, safer, and smarter. And ISO 20022 is the backbone of that change. If you want to keep up with this financial shift, subscribe now and join the journey.